Asuntoskeittiö Koivuhovi, Purotie 2, Orimattila, staircase B. Again modernized. In 2008, 11001430 basement. Floor. Five per 400 kilograms. I'm of course not going to film all modernized elevators. I have Kone 3 now, but I'm doing film one per building. They have been modernized, but some of them. Fortunately, buildings are open here in Orimattila. Purotie 4 had buzzers originally, but they have been removed and the doors are now open, but just generic modernization made by Suomen Hissiurakointi. 5th floor. So there has cases 420 fixtures and nice gap, nice doors. Stairs to basement are locked off, but the elevator is not. That's it.